2010 Jeep Liberty 4x4 Sport, 61,000 miles. Alloy wheels, brand new tires, brakes, and rotors. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. In like new condition. Perfect first vehicle for a student, or you can pull it behind a motorhome. Not a door ding, rock chip, or scratch on the vehicle. Tires are new. Cosmetically and mechanically, this vehicle is perfect. Two-tone seats, power windows and locks and mirrors, cruise control, 61,000 miles at the time of the video. Four-wheel drive. There is the Carfax report. Second row, as you can see, the vehicle is absolutely immaculate. Original floor mats. Cargo area, second row folds down. (2010) Jeep Liberty Sport 4-wheel drive, 61,000 miles in like new condition.